severe weather to the county sheriff, local police, or Department of Public Safety. Do relay your report to the National Weather Service.